Spanish Grammar Guy here on Focus 15, here to help you with your Spanish grammar. Today we're looking at a crucial part of mastering conversational Spanish, interrogative pronouns, also known, of course, as question words. These are the words you'll use to ask questions and get the information you need. So let's get started. So what are interrogative pronouns? Well, interrogative pronouns in Spanish are words used to ask questions about people, places, things, time, amount, and reason. They're similar to the English words who, what, where, when, why, and how. So here are the most common ones in Spanish: qué, quién or quiénes, cuál or cuáles, dónde, cuándo, por qué, cómo, and cuánto, cuánta, cuántos, and cuántas. So we'll have a look at them all in turn and see how they all put together. Let's have a look at some examples of how these work in sentences. Let's have a look at qué, meaning what, of course. For example, ¿qué quieres comer? What do you want to eat? Notice, of course, we have the tilde, the accent, on these question words to distinguish them from other words in Spanish that look the same. For example, que in Spanish has a conjunction, meaning that, but here, of course, with the accent on it, it is a question word, interrogative pronoun. We look at the next one, quién or quiénes. In the singular, we would use quién. ¿Quién es esa chica, for example? Who is that girl? Or in the plural, we would use quiénes. ¿Quiénes son tus amigos? Who are your friends? Look at cuál or cuáles. Again, distinguish between singular and plural there. ¿Cuál es tu libro favorito? Which is your favorite book? ¿Cuáles son tus colores favoritos? Which are your favorite colors? The next one, ¿dónde? Meaning where. For example, ¿dónde vive Juan? Where does Juan live? On to cuándo, meaning when. ¿Cuándo es la fiesta? When is the party? The next one, ¿por qué? And of course, if you notice, ¿por qué is actually two words. ¿Por qué? Meaning why. ¿Por qué estudias español? Why do you study Spanish? Or ¿cómo? Meaning how. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Again, notice the accent here on como, because there's another word, of course, como, meaning as, used as a conjunction without the accent. Here again, we have how much or how many, cuánto. ¿Cuánto cuesta el vestido, for example? How much does the dress cost? ¿Cuántos años tienes, of course? How old are you? And again here, of course, we're using cuánto in agreement with what it's representing. Cuánto or cuánta, in the singular, masculine or feminine. Cuántos or cuántas, in the plural, masculine or feminine. So, of course, in this example here, ¿cuántos años tienes? Of course, cuántos has to agree with años, which is masculine and plural. So, the key points, of course, to remember for interrogative pronouns or question words, if you like, are the accents. They always carry this accent, and this helps differentiate them from relative pronouns and other similar words in sentences, conjunctions, for example. Also, we have to take into account agreement. Some pronouns, as we've seen, like cuánto, have to agree in gender and number with the nouns they refer to. So we have to adjust them accordingly. And also, we need to consider question structure. So in Spanish, questions generally begin with this interrogative pronoun, followed by the verb, and then the subject, if mentioned. Let's have a look at this example. ¿Dónde? Interrogative or question word. Está, verb, and el baño, subject. Where is the bathroom? That's the general structure of these sentences using these interrogative words. So there you have it. These interrogative pronouns, as they're formally called, or question words, are foundational to asking questions and engaging in conversations in Spanish and writing and speaking Spanish much better. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Spanish language tips and lessons. Hasta luego.